What single company can shake the entire stock market with just one earnings report? The answer is Nvidia. Once famous for gaming chips, Nvidia is now at the core of the artificial intelligence revolution. Its processors fuel everything from chatbots to self-driving cars, making it one of the most powerful players in tech today. With its earnings report coming up, investors are asking, will Nvidia push markets to new highs or trigger a wave of caution? Let's break it all down. Number 1. Nvidia's rise in the tech world. Nvidia's journey from a gaming-focused company to a global technology leader is remarkable. Initially, it gained fame for producing high-performance graphics processing units, GPUs, that powered immersive gaming experiences for millions of players. Over time, the company discovered that its GPUs were also ideal for handling complex calculations required in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. This realization allowed Nvidia to expand far beyond gaming, positioning itself as a critical player in the AI revolution. Today, its products are used in everything from research labs to autonomous vehicles, making Nvidia a cornerstone of modern technology. Investors now see the company as essential to the future of AI innovation. Number 2. Why earnings reports matter so much. Earnings reports act as a company's financial report card, providing investors with a clear picture of performance and future prospects. For Nvidia, these reports are especially important because they reveal more than just profits. They show how strong the demand for AI technology really is. Strong earnings can boost investor confidence, not only in Nvidia, but across the tech sector, signaling that the AI boom is sustainable. On the other hand, weaker results may create uncertainty, causing stocks to dip and investors to reassess growth expectations. Since Nvidia sits at the heart of AI innovation, its earnings report often serves as a key indicator of both the company's health and the broader market's direction. Number 3. The AI boom and Nvidia's role. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. But AI doesn't run on ideas alone. It requires enormous computing power to process complex algorithms. That's where Nvidia comes in. Its GPUs are specifically designed to handle these massive calculations efficiently, making them essential for training AI models and running advanced applications. The demand for Nvidia's technology has grown so rapidly that supply often struggles to keep up. This unique position makes the company a critical player in the AI revolution. Investors view Nvidia not just as a chip maker, but as a gatekeeper of the AI era, with each earnings report reflecting how fast and how widely AI is being adopted. Number 4. Market expectations before the report. As Nvidia's August 27th earnings approach, analysts and investors are closely scrutinizing every detail and prediction. Many expect record-breaking results fueled by the booming demand for AI chips, with some forecasting revenue and profit figures that could surpass all previous records. However, the pressure is high. Markets often react not just to the actual numbers, but to whether they meet or exceed expectations. Even solid results might disappoint if forecasts were too optimistic. This makes Nvidia's report especially unpredictable. Traders are also considering broader economic factors and AI adoption trends. In short, the market is waiting to see if Nvidia can deliver not only strong numbers but also confidence that the AI boom will continue to grow. Number 5. The bigger picture. Impact on tech giants. Nvidia's earnings have consequences far beyond the company itself, affecting major technology giants around the world. Companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta depend heavily on Nvidia's GPUs to power their AI projects, from cloud computing to advanced research. Strong earnings from Nvidia suggest these tech giants are investing heavily in AI, signaling growth and innovation across the sector. Conversely, slower sales could raise concerns about reduced AI adoption or a cooling market. Investors watch Nvidia closely because its results often act as a proxy for the health of the broader tech industry. In this sense, Nvidia's earnings are a bellwether, shaping confidence in companies that rely on its critical technology. Number 6. Wall Street's dependence on AI stocks. Artificial intelligence has become one of the strongest forces driving the stock market, and Nvidia sits at the center of that momentum. Many traders view Nvidia as the bellwether for the entire AI industry, meaning its performance often sets the tone for how investors feel about other tech stocks. When Nvidia delivers strong results, confidence in AI-related companies tends to surge, lifting the broader market. But if Nvidia shows weakness, doubts quickly spread, and AI stocks can tumble together. This heavy reliance makes Wall Street's outlook closely tied to Nvidia's success. For many investors, Nvidia isn't just another company, it's the heartbeat of the AI boom, influencing market direction day by day. Number 7. Risks and challenges facing Nvidia. Even though Nvidia dominates the AI chip market, it faces serious challenges that could affect future growth. Supply shortages remain a key issue, as global demand often exceeds what the company can produce. At the same time, rivals like AMD and Intel are pushing hard to capture a share of the AI chip industry. Big tech companies such as Google and Amazon are also developing their own processors, which could reduce reliance on Nvidia. In addition, government regulations restricting chip exports to certain countries may limit sales opportunities. These risks remind investors that success isn't guaranteed. Every earnings report is not just about strength, it's also a test of Nvidia's ability to overcome these obstacles. Number 8. How earnings could move markets globally. Nvidia's influence is not limited to the United States, it's truly global. The company's chips are used by businesses and governments across Asia, Europe, and beyond, making its earnings a worldwide event. A strong report often fuels optimism in international markets, as investors see it as proof that AI adoption is accelerating everywhere. Stock indexes in places like Tokyo, London, and Frankfurt can rise in response to Nvidia's performance. On the other hand, weaker earnings may cool enthusiasm, dragging down tech-heavy sectors worldwide. Because Nvidia stands at the heart of the AI boom, its quarterly results are treated as a global indicator of how strong or fragile the technology economy really is. Number 9. Investor psychology. Stock markets often run on emotions as much as numbers, and Nvidia's story captures both extremes. On one side is excitement, the belief that Nvidia represents the future of artificial intelligence and could fuel unlimited growth. On the other side is fear that expectations are running too high and a bubble may be forming. Investors constantly wrestle with this balance, waiting to see if the company can live up to the hype. A strong earnings report can fuel confidence and push markets higher, while weaker results may spark rapid sell-offs. This constant tug-of-war makes Nvidia's updates some of the most closely watched events in finance today. Number 10. Looking ahead. No matter what the August 27th earnings reveal, Nvidia's journey is far from finished. The company continues to explore bold frontiers, including robotics, autonomous driving, cloud computing, and advanced data centers built for AI. These innovations highlight that Nvidia is more than just a chip maker, it's shaping the digital future itself. While earnings give investors a short-term snapshot, the long-term story is about global influence and sustained growth. Nvidia's technology is becoming deeply woven into how industries operate, making it essential to progress. For both Wall Street and everyday users, Nvidia's role in the AI revolution is only beginning, promising even greater impact ahead. Nvidia's earnings aren't just about one company. They're about the future of artificial intelligence, technology, and the stock market as a whole. The results could fuel confidence in the AI boom or raise fresh concerns about its sustainability. Either way, Nvidia's impact is undeniable, and the world will be watching closely. If you enjoyed this breakdown, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.